How to fix Snapchat blurry camera on your Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem on Snapchat. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps or applications, and here on apps or application you have to search for Snapchat. When you found it, just open it like this, scroll down the screen and go to storage, and go to the last button here, clear data, and click OK, then back again and go to first tab here, click OK, and then you will back to Play Store and you will update Snap again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.